Hi, it's Jay here again and welcome to another video. So in this lesson we're going to continue on developing our weapon animations, and we'll begin with the pistol, and we're actually going to create a new C# script and we need to give it a name. So I'm just going to use p_anim. Obviously you can call it whatever you like, but let's open that one up for editing. And what we're going to do is create a new public void, and let's say play pistol shoot animation. Open and close brackets, open and close as normal. And we'll just save that off there for now. So we'll come back to our pistol script. So let's have a look. And we've got to put these somewhere. I'm just trying to think of the best place. I'll just put them at the bottom here for now, I think. So private game object underscore pistol. Let's just use object. Close that line off. Into the comments we'll say defines the pistol game object. So private, and we're going to use the name of the script we've just created. So p_anim underscore, and we'll use p_animation script. In the comments defines the pistol animation script. And yeah, we already did create the animation, the line for the animation to be assigned. So now we have those in place. Let's come to the void start, and I'll put this at the bottom. So we want pistol. So what did we call it? P_game object. Oh, pistol object. So let's say pistol object equals game object with a capital G dot find game object with tag. We'll open and close brackets, close the line off. Inside the brackets we'll put the quotation marks and we'll put in pistol. We'll break that up for commenting. But first, I just want to go to the FPS controller. We open the prefab, and we did assign tags when we first created these. So you will have to make sure that the tags are still assigned, otherwise this will not work. So just a quick word of warning there. So now in the comments, and let's just use this naming convention. Underscore pistol object equals, to the next line, game object I'll word it game object with tag of pistol and we want the underscore and we want the P animation script is going to equal underscore, and again we want the pistol game object, so pistol object, and we're going to say get component. We'll open the close brackets. So we need to get the script of p anim. We'll come to the end of the line, we'll open and close brackets, we'll close the line off. Yeah, let's break this up for commenting as well. So again, we'll use the naming convention equals I'll put the p anim script, and you can always put from pistol game object if you wish. Okay, with that now done, we're going to come to the void update. And we are going to need, in fact, I'll create this first. So let's have a think where to put it. So, pistol shoot. I'll put it here just before we have the add pistol ammo function. Public void call pistol shoot animation. Let's open and close brackets. We'll open and close again. And what we actually need to do is call the animation here. So this is the line that's actually going to handle, or this is the void, sorry, that's actually going to call the animation. So let me have a look. We want the underscore p animation script variable we created. And we're going to say dot, and we want this naming convention play pistol shoot animation. So let's paste that in. We'll open and close brackets. We'll close the line off into the comments. And we'll just put that we're calling that function. You could always add from another script in the comments if you wish. So now let's copy the naming convention for the void, and we're going to paste it into this if block in the void update. So as you can see, we're calling the pistol shoot function there, and I'm putting these two together. And again, we'll just put that into the comments that we're calling that function. So these lines are to get the game object, the pistol game object, then we get the script. When we attack, we call this function. And because we now have access to the other script with this naming convention, we can call the function from there. So let's come back up. We'll just save that off there. We'll come to our new script. In fact, we'll need to get the variables in place. So we're going to create some variables. I'll go through these rather quickly because they're things that we've done many times. So private animation clip, and yes, this one does need to be private. We're assigning the pistol shoot animation here, and we're going to make this variable equal that. So let's say pistol shoot animation, so underscore p shoot animation, that will do. Close the line off. Defines the shoot animation clip. Let's just copy that line. We'll paste it in twice. The next one, change from animation clip to game object. We'll change this to underscore player. We can use geo if you like for game object. The comments defines the player game object. And this line we'll change to pistol, so it's in reference to this script, and we need to give this a naming convention. We'll use player pistol script. Defines the pistol script. And we're going to come to pistol, and we're lucky we can copy these lines we've just put in the void start in that script, and we'll paste them in here, and we just need to swap out the naming conventions. So now we're going to say in the first line player GO, into the comments, find game object with tag of player, and what do we need? The player pistol script this time. So let's paste that in. We're going to say it's going to equal the player GO game object. Now we want to get component in children, because obviously the pistol script itself is not attached to the player main player game object, and the script we need to get is the pistol. So let's get that in place. So we'll say that script equals, let's say pistol script from the player geo game object. And we need one extra line, and what we're going to do is say that the p shoot animation, so this private animation clip here, and all we're going to say is going to equal the player pistol script dot, and then we're going to equal to the pistol shoot anim from this line. This one's public, obviously this is where we will assign the animation. So let's just paste that in. We'll close the line off. We'll break up the line for commenting. So again, we'll say the P shoot animation equals the pistol shoot animation. So pistol shoot anim. We'll put animation clip, and again you could put from the pistol script. And now we're going to actually come to the play the pistol shoot animation. We're going to say if open and close brackets, inside the brackets. Again, I'm going to go through this quickly because we've done it many times. So inside the brackets, get component, open and close brackets. Inside the brackets, we're going to say animation, open and close brackets again. We're going to use, we need to be there, and we're going to use is playing with the capital I. We'll open and close brackets again, underscore P shoot animation dot name. Come to the end of the line, we'll enter, we'll use the return function, close the line off. Into the comments we'll put and do nothing and return for that line. And for this top line we'll break it up, we'll say if, let's have a look, best way to word this way it's broken up. If the animation is playing in reference to the pistol shoot animation, then we do nothing and return. Again, I'm not really, them comments will be fine. It's not ideal, but it'll be alright. So we'll create a new line, get component, open and close brackets. Again, inside the brackets, animation, end of the line, open and close brackets, dot, we want crossfade, open and close brackets again, close the line off, inside the brackets, underscore, P shoot animation dot name. We'll come to the comments, we'll say, so let's have a look, this should all read as one if I'm in reference and do nothing wrong and return. Let's put else crossfade in the pistol shoot animation, and we'll save that off there. Obviously we still aren't in at the point where we can test out the animations. We need to create those and we need to set up the game objects, but we'll pick this up in the very next lesson. So as always, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope to see you next time, And until then, as always, bye for now.